Now, Omaha's verified most accurate forecast.
I'm meteorologist Tim Schmidt with a look at your weekend forecast. A reminder, as things get really cold this weekend, make sure you have already disconnected water hoses and garden hoses from your house and winterize those water pipes, as we have temperatures expected to get to around 20 degrees over this weekend. That will easily freeze up those water lines, and it could cause problems for your house. Also, to watch tire pressures this weekend when it gets this cold. Tracking out this weekend storm system, it'll be a lot of rain for most of the region throughout the day on Saturday morning, afternoon, and evening. Up nearby Carroll and Denison, Iowa, that's where we could maybe see some very minor accumulating snow early into Saturday morning. The rest of us, though, just seeing some snow flurries for Saturday evening. And then it gets cold outside heading into Sunday morning, where temperatures will be down in the teens and 20s for Sunday morning. Let's track out this precipitation for Saturday. In the morning hours, it's just going to be mainly some rain, as most of our temperatures are in the upper 30s and low 40s, with the exception of northwest Iowa. That's where the air temperature outside will be around 33 to 36 degrees. And that's going to be cold enough for that to allow some of that snow to actually reach the ground up near Denison and Carroll through the morning hours on Saturday. Elsewhere, it's just rain, and that'll be the case for much of the day on Saturday. Even with that snow up to our north and east in the viewing area, a lot of that will be melting pretty quick throughout the afternoon. Once we get into the evening, it looks like our temperatures will start to cool off down into the 30s. As the storm system is exiting the region, some moisture still lingering around could maybe squeeze out a few extra snow flurries for the evening hours. Again, just snow flurries, nothing accumulative out of it. And heading into Sunday morning, temperatures will be down in the low 20s outside, so it'll be very cold for Sunday morning. Again, snow flurries for pretty much all of us when we see our snow outside on Saturday, with the exception up near Denison and Carroll. You could see maybe up to a half of an inch of snow for a couple of hours on Saturday morning, and then it will all start to melt away by Saturday afternoon. A look at our wind chills for Sunday morning. We'll be waking up down in the teens and low 20s for the temperature, but it'll be windy outside, so the wind chill will make it feel like 9 or 10 degrees outside. The good news is this cool down is short-lived, because we are back into the 40s on Monday, 60s already by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Here's a look at that forecast for Saturday. Showers and snow showers in the morning, kind of a yucky day outside. We'll only reach a temperature of around 45 in the afternoon, cooling back down into the 30s, which will allow for some snow flurries for Saturday evening. And your forecast going forward for the rest of the week: 23 for Sunday morning, 35 for Sunday afternoon, 19 for Monday morning, 42 for Monday afternoon. We're back into the 60s for temperatures next week.